Hi everyone. Today I have a tip about using Scor-Tape. I love using Scor-Tape because it is so sticky and you know that your layers are not going to come apart. But sometimes when you're trying to get it lined up exactly, it sticks before you're ready. I saw this tip on YouTube, I believe, but I can't remember who said it, so I can't give credit. So instead of removing the entire backing, just take it off about an inch and then fold it at an angle. Do that for all four sides. This way, when you go to put it down on your next layer, there's not as much tape ready to stick, and so you have time to line it up. So just push all those little tabs out of the way. And then you can take your time and line it up. And then just push it down. And then take off the rest of the release tape. And there you go, a nice even border.